Hi there. Apple a few weeks ago launched its Apple saving account. In essence, those people with Apple Card are actually able to save money, and in fact, their daily earnings actually can be remitted to their specific accounts, which is an awesome thing. And this got me thinking, isn't this concept just similar to what is happening, for example, in Kenya through MPesa partnership with other cooperative banks out there, which has been ongoing for quite some time? Let me talk about the Apple scenario and then divide the similarities, and also, most importantly, actually try to use this to depict what the future of fintech is going to look like. So guys, Apple launched its savings account sometimes in mid-April. Right now we're talking about it nearing a month's time. And of course, its uptake is being tremendous because its yield, in other words, talking about its annual returns, about 4.15%, which by the way is very, very high compared to other returns for such kind of products out there. In fact, it is estimated to be over 10 times. Fair enough. But when you take a look at it, at the back end of it, in fact, it is a partnership with a major bank, Goldman Sachs, which actually is also behind the scene playing a key role in this Apple launch. Now looking at that and then compare with the case in Kenya, for example, we're talking about Safaricom having its own product, Safaricom MPesa, which has been in the Kenyan market right now for over 15-16 years or so. And in the past over 10 years, we've seen Safaricom introduce new products out there, for example, Mshwari, Fuliza, KCB, MPesa, you name it, through which we are seeing, for example, through Mshwari, clients out there just through their mobile wallets are able to save money, transact, borrow, you name it. This is very interesting because also looks like Apple has just utilized the same kind of model, of course, with a few donations here and there, but now for theirs, it is on the Apple Card. And what's more fascinating is that they have a balance with regards to the account balance, which is capped at 250,000 US dollars. In other words, an estimate of about 30-something million Kenya shillings. That's the max you can hold in your wallet. And of course, your daily returns, you can channel them to your account, which I think is very fascinating. And looks like this model, which actually originated from somewhere in Kenya, has been cascaded and of course expanded over time to different parts of the world. Even though it will be depicted like that, but the concept is kind of the same. What do you think? Do you think there is a similarity between the Apple saving account and the model Safaricom has been using over time? Share that down below in the comment section. Let's continue discussing there. But I think this is a good model more so if you think about financial inclusion more so in other markets out there. Because beyond people banking traditional banks out there, any form of access to technology, I think, can be utilized also to be a tool of financial inclusion. We are seeing cards out there being used for this. We saw telcos out there in Kenya, for example, being used for this, and even in Africa continent. What is the next frontier? Are you going to see, for example, other technologies out there being used as tools of financial inclusion? What do you think? Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.